Maths Part 2nd, Standard 10, Unit number 1, Similarity, Practice Set 1.4, All Examples. Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part 2nd, Unit number 1st, Similarity, Practice Set 1.4. Here the example first. The ratio of corresponding side of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Find the ratio of their areas. Here solution. Let the corresponding side of two similar triangles. Let the corresponding sides of two similar triangles be S1 and S2. Let their respective areas be A1 and A2. These two triangles are similar. We know that two triangles are similar. The ratio of area of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Therefore, using the theorem of area of similar triangles, A1 upon A2 is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides square S1 square upon S2 square. Reason: theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. The ratio of corresponding similar triangles is 3:5. Sides, corresponding side ratios 3:5. Therefore, put the value A1 upon A2 is equal to, first side is 3 square, and second 3/5 is 5 square. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to square of 3 is equal to 9 and square of 5 is equal to 25. या ठिकाणी दोघांचे वर्ग केले, 3 चा वर्ग 9, 5 चा वर्ग 25. दोन समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे गुणोत्तर हे त्याच्या संगत बाजूंच्या वर्गांच्या प्रमाणात येतात. Therefore, the ratio of A1 upon A2 is equal to 9/25. Answer is equal to the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 9/25. See the next example number 2. If a triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and AB's PQ is equal to 2 3, then fill in the blanks. Here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square. We know that two triangles are similar. The ratio of areas of this triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Here triangle ABC side is AB and a triangle PQR is a corresponding side. AB is corresponding side, PQ square. AB square, AB's value 2, 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या प्रकारचा प्रश्न आहे परीक्षेमध्ये. प्रश्न क्रमांक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A मध्ये 2 मार्क्सला विचारला जातो अँड क्वेश्चन 3A मध्ये 3 मार्क्ससाठी विचारला जातो. आता यामध्ये हे प्रत्येक बॉक्सेस दिलेत, त्या बॉक्सला किती मार्क असतो, अर्धा गुणदान केलं जातं. अशा पद्धतीचा प्रश्न तुम्हाला या परीक्षेत प्रश्न 2 आणि 3 मध्ये तुम्हाला निश्चित 100% पाहण्यासाठी या प्रकारचे मिळतील. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इफ अ ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR, area of triangle ABC is equal to 80 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 125, then fill in the blanks. Here ratio of two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 80 upon 125. areas of triangle ABC 80 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 125. Simplify this ratio 80 upon 125 divide into 5. 5 1 is 5, remaining 3, 5 30, 5 6 is 30. Here 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 16 upon 25. सिम्प्लिफाय 18 upon 125. या ठिकाणी 80 आणि 125 ला सोपं रूप दिलं, 16 25 आलं. We know that area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Here the ratio is 16 upon 25. S1 square, S2 square, square root of both sides. Here the 16 square is the 4 square root and 25 square root is the 5. S1 upon S2. These two sides, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी दोन बाजूंचं गुणोत्तर काय आलेलं आहे, 4 आसपास. या ठिकाणी AB छेद PQ. here AB upon PQ, the ratio of AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. अशा पद्धतीचं उदाहरण तुम्हाला परीक्षेत मी अगोदरच्या उदाहरणासाठी प्रश्न क्रमांक 2A प्रश्न क्रमांक 3A मध्ये विचारला जाऊ शकतो. See the next example number 4. Triangle LMN similar triangle PQR, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Write down here the given part solution. Here the given triangle LMN, triangle LMN similar to triangle PQR. This is the given part. Given. The next given part is 9 into area of triangle. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. या ठिकाणी दिलेली बाब आहे 9 गुणिले त्रिकोण PQR चं क्षेत्रफळ बरोबर 16 गुणिले त्रिकोण LMN चं क्षेत्रफळ. Here 9 upon 16 is equal to area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. या ठिकाणी PQR गुणाकारात आहे, ते भागाकारात गेलं. हे 16 गुणाकारात होते, ते भागाकारात आलेलं आहे. हे गुणोत्तर फर्स्ट. नाउ we know that theorem of area of similar triangles. Now area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. The value of area of similar triangles ratio is 9/60 9/16 is equal to MN square upon square square. Therefore, taking square root of both side, square root of both side MN upon QR is equal to square root of 9 is equal to 3 and square root of 16 is equal to 14. Taking square root of both side, taking square root of both sides. Put the value of QR. QR is 20. MN upon value of QR is equal to 20. Therefore 3/4. ही गुणोत्तर आलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये 2 रेशो क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन हियर. या ठिकाणी तिरकस गुणाकार केला. देअरफॉर MN into 4 is equal to 20 into 3. Therefore MN is equal to 20/3. 20 into 3/4. 20 गुणिले 3 भागिले 4. 4 5 20. 4/25 म्हणजेच MN ची किंमत इथे किती आली? 4 × 4 4/25 म्हणजे 5 × 3 = 15 15. MN is equal to 5 × 3 = 15. Here the answer MN is equal to MN is equal to 15. In this type solve the above example. या प्रकारे हे असं वरील उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. See the next example number 5. Example number 5. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 and 81 square centimeter. If side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of bigger triangles. Here solution. Let the areas of two similar triangles, let the areas of two similar triangles be A1 and A2. Here A2 is bigger triangle and A1 is a bigger and A2 is a smaller triangle. Here the A1 is a bigger and A2 is a smaller triangle, and their respective corresponding side, and let their respective corresponding sides be S1 and S2. Here A1 is equal to bigger triangle area 225 square centimeter, A2 is 81 square centimeter, and smaller triangle side is a 12. Smaller triangle S2 is equal to 12 centimeter. The two triangles are similar by the theorem of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles if area of triangle ABC is area of triangle DEF is 1/2 and AB is equal to 4, then find the value of D. Solution here, we know that these two triangles are equilateral triangles, means these equilateral triangles are similar triangles. या ठिकाणी जर समभुज त्रिकोण असतील तर ते काय असतात, समरूप असतात. म्हणून देअरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल DEF. Here by theorem of areas of similar triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to corresponding side square AB square upon D square. Put the value of AB's area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. 1/2 and AB is a 4. Therefore 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 square upon D square. Here the cross multiplication, D into 1 D square is equal to 4 square into 2. In this equation, taking the square root of both sides, therefore square root of D square is equal to D, square root of 4 square is a 4 and square root of 2 is the root 2. Here taking the square root, of the both sides, and therefore answer D is equal to 4 into root 2. In this type solve above example. अशा पद्धतीने हे उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. Let's see the 7th example in a figure. Segment PQ are parallel to segment D. Area of triangle PQF is a 20 unit. PF is a 2 DP. Then find the area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. Here the write down the given part. Area of triangle PQF 20 units. PF is equal to 2 DP. Let assume DP is X. Then PF is equal to 2X. Here DF is equal to DP plus PF. Here the value of DP is X and value of PF is equal to 2X. X plus 2X is equal to 3X. In a triangle FDE and a triangle FPQ, here the angle FDE, this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. Write down here the angle FPQ. This is the corresponding angle, and angle FED corresponding angle FQP. This is the corresponding angles. Here these two triangles are similar by area test. Then area of triangle FDE and area of triangle FPQ, the ratio of corresponding side in a square of corresponding sides. Here the corresponding side is a D square, and here DF. Here the DF corresponding to PF. DF is a 3x. And PF is a 2x. 3x square upon 2x square. square of 3 is a 9 and square of 2 is equal to 4. X square and x square are cancelling term. Here area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 upon 4 and this area goes to right hand side in multiplication. या ठिकाणी हे भागाकारात area of triangle FPQ आलं ते गुणाकारात गेलं. Here the value of area of triangle FPQ is 20. 4 5 जा 20. Here remaining 5. 9 5 जा 45. Here the area of quadrilateral DPQ is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ. Here the area of this bigger triangle is 45 and a smaller triangle is 20. Therefore answer is 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. या ठिकाणी मोठ्या त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळातून लहान त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ वजा केलं म्हणजे उरलेलाच हा चौकोन आहे DPQ चं क्षेत्रफळ काढता येईल. अशा पद्धतीने ॲक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आहे. परीक्षेमध्ये 3 मार्काला किंवा 2 मार्काला आपल्याला विचारला जाऊ शकतो. थँक्स, धन्यवाद विद्यार्थी मित्रो.